What is up guys, my name is Tal and you're watching Gadgets History. In today's video I'm going to talk about a really important thing, that is, let's say you have just brought a new laptop or it is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i and you're looking for best quality accessories for that laptop. You want to utilize that laptop to its fullest extent, and then this video is definitely for you. So number one thing you should definitely buy if you are having this laptop, the IdeaPad Slim 5i, and if you're someone who does video editing on the laptop, you definitely need a good mouse. So yes, here are my recommendations. Buy it from Zebronics, that is like probably the best deal you can get, and other mouses are also there. So buy a good quality of mouse as well as a good quality of mouse pad. Now these will help you to enhance your laptop experience by a lot, because using a trackpad is easy at times but not at all, because if you are doing something like video editing, you need to be very precise at which point you're going to cut the video or trim the video, and for that purposes good quality of mouse is always going to help you. So make sure you buy a good quality of mouse. Then the second thing you would consider if you have this laptop, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i, that is a good quality of laptop stand. I already told you, I made a video, watch it guys, watch it now after this video. Now what I told in that video is I just bought a very good quality of stand from AMKit, and AMKit is a well-known brand. They make good quality of gaming keyboards also, and they also made gaming controllers. So the stand I bought was a little expensive. It was like 800 rupees. I got it somewhere around 700. I don't know. You can watch that video and you will get to know about the price also. So the main important thing about that stand is, the stand is first of all very big, very sturdy. It is made up of very good quality of plastic. It is plastic but very hard plastic, like the plastic you have in the car bonnets, that high quality of plastic. So it is not going to break, first of all, not going to break anytime soon in the future. And the second thing, the most important part of the stand, why I bought it, is to because support the laptop and dissipate the heat, and that is what the stand is doing. It's dissipating the heat very easily. You're going to face no problems. Now the third thing you should definitely consider if you have this laptop, that is very important, and that is to buy a good quality of screen protector. I mean, I'm serious at this point. Alright, let's think about it. You bought a laptop which cost 68,000 rupees. The laptop is shining you loved it, but by mistake your small brother just scratched it with a little pen, and then oh my god, you are very mad at him. You can't do anything, he's your small brother. So to be aware of that fact, and if you don't want your laptop to get damaged very easily, then definitely you need a good quality of screen protector to protect it from scratches. It is really important if you are someone who cares a lot about laptops and you are not like Mr. Beast who has $1 million, then obviously you don't need a screen protector. Throw your laptop, buy a new one. Alright, jokes apart, screen protector is really important. I have applied a 2-layer screen protector in which the outer layer is also very protective and the inner layer is also very protective. So my laptop is not going to get scratches anytime soon, and I'm really happy for that. Now one more thing I would like to talk about, like this is not very specific to the IdeaPad Slim 5i, this is in general. Nowadays, as you guys know, we are doing meetings on Meet, Google Meet, Zoom, all that other things are happening, online classes, online colleges are even running. So if you're someone who doesn't have the IdeaPad Slim 5i, because let me give you a reason, the IdeaPad Slim 5i has a really fantastic webcam. It is actually better than my mom's phone selfie camera. Just kidding. So yeah, the point is the IdeaPad Slim 5i has a really good quality of webcam. You don't need to buy a separate webcam for that. But if you're someone who needs a good quality of webcam and who doesn't have a very high-end laptop or anything close to that, then you can see a webcam there, I guess you can. Now that webcam is of Quantum. It costs around 800 rupees and it gets the job done. I mean, if you are having a PC, definitely you need a webcam. You can buy that, 800 rupees gets the job done. Still, it's not good. It's 2x zoomed. Your face is only visible if you sit at a close distance like this, and not the best. I would not recommend it. Unless and until you don't have a webcam, then buy that and that's it. Now let's talk about one more thing, that is the keyboard. Now alright, many people love the laptop keyboards. They don't need a good quality keyboard by any means, but if you're someone who want to get a good physical keyboard, I would personally recommend you to get the Cosmic Byte CBGK 16 Firefly. First of all, this video is not sponsored by Cosmic Byte by any means. It is just my personal opinions, my personal experience with the keyboard. So you might think like, hey, where is my keyboard? I haven't bought it, but I've used it at my friend's house. The CBGK 16, the Ottoman blue switch one, it was very loud. I'm like honestly telling you. It was very loud. Sometimes if you typed so much, it will just pain in your ears. But the thing is, the keyboard gives you a very good feel while typing. It makes you type more and more because you don't have to apply a lot of pressure. So if you're someone who writes articles in web pages, then you can consider buying a new keyboard for your laptop, because that will help you reduce your finger pain. And also one thing it will help to do is, that is, your laptop keyboard will be good in contact. It's not going to break. Like after pressing enter key for very long time, it sometimes gets stuck. That case is not going to happen to your laptop. Now, by the way, speaking of that, let's talk about one more thing, that is warranty. Yes, my friends, this laptop has a very good quality warranty, that is 1 year. You can extend it to 3 years also if you go to the Lenovo website and pay them a sum of, I think, 18 to 1900 rupees. I haven't done that, so I can't guarantee what is going to happen after that. But there's one thing for sure, that is the guarantee, or like the warranty here is really good. It covers everything from the keyboard to the screen to the battery and also the body. I mean, obviously if you're going to scratch it with a knife and then going to return it, it's not going to work like that. But it does cover, and it says that you should be pretty fine like a year after buying this laptop. And let's talk about one more important thing, that is the keyboard of the laptop. The IdeaPad Slim 5i keyboard does not have multicolored RGBs. I wanted to clear this out because one person was asking me in the comments, so I just thought of clearing this out in the video. And that's pretty much it for today's video. If you like, subscribing will be really good. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my ID. Please follow it. It will support me only. I mean, man, my subscribers are increasing day by day. Thank you. I love you guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.